People are their stories. Author Will Storr defines story as a unit of information that tells of the overcoming of an obstacle in pursuit of a goal. Without the pursuit of the goal and the overcoming of the obstacle, there would be no story. It would simply be a list of facts and events in your life. He also says everyone shares three main goals in life: survival, connection, and status. And these goals drive our wants, needs, behaviors, and thoughts. So I invite you to think of a survival story in your life right now. What threatens your survival? What do you need in order to survive? And what obstacles are present? Now think of a connection story in your life. From where and whom are you seeking connection or acceptance? What's making it hard? And who do you feel like you have to be in order to belong? Finally, think of a status story in your life. What's missing that would make you feel valued and respected? Why don't you have it? And what are you doing about it? Now, these questions can apply organizationally as well. For example, a survival story can be severe budget cuts or an existential crisis. When we see that the majority of our stories are about survival, connection, and status, we gain clarity. And remember that overcoming obstacles in these pursuits is what actually makes these stories meaningful. This framing can help leaders better celebrate, support, and simply witness the people they work with. So, what are your stories? What are the stories of the people that you work with? And how does that help you engage with them? My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas to help us become better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please consider signing up in a link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you and have a great day.